Hello, Golden Eagles, and welcome to the Perch. I'm your host, Sydney Brown.
Chloe.
Zach Golf.
And today we're playing a game called Guess the Sound. We have 8 different sounds from around campus, and we're going to try and guess what they are. Feel free to play along with us and comment on how many you got right. Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
They're just walking around on a pile of
No,
leaves.
like leaves. That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, y'all got it right.
It's probably one of the ones next to the trees in front of the library.
The only one with trees? Wait, leaves?
I mean, there's a bunch of leaves up at the field house.
I don't go up there, so.
Okay.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go. Do it 2 Bro, is that one of the light poles up at the field?
Is that a fence or something? It sounds like a fence.
No, it's not.
I don't know what that is.
It's, I'm going to give y'all, it's something getting thrown at, like, another thing.
Okay. What?
They're probably throwing a rock at something, but I don't know what they'd be throwing it at.
You were right when you were, like, at the field house. It's in that area, I guess.
Are they throwing a rock at, like, one of the light poles or something?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Close.
And I don't know.
Would you like to hear it again?
Yeah.
Alright, go. Do it 2
Is it
Oh, the bleachers.
Yeah.
Rock on the bleachers.
Alright, next one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a soap dispenser. Or a hand sanitizer dispenser, one of the two.
For what?
Which one?
I'm gonna go.
Soap.
I'm gonna go hand sanitizer because there's not many soap dispensers on this campus anymore.
I'm gonna say soap.
She's right. It's soap. You're wrong.
You found one of the only soap dispensers on this campus.
It wasn't me. I'm just the host here. Thank you very much. Okay.
Alright, ready for the next one?
Oh.
What is that?
Are they playing pickleball?
See, I read the paper wrong, and I was like, that does not sound like what it says. Anyways.
No, wait, what? I need to hear that again. What is that? That sounds like a paddle hitting something.
No, I think that's wood on wood in CTE building.
Honestly, like, I know what it is, but it sounds like a metal bat hitting something.
There's not enough reverb for it to be a metal bat.
I don't know, dude. Sounds
One more
weird.
time.
Y'all want to hear it again?
Yeah.
Sure.
Don't know what it is.
I don't know.
It's weights clanking together.
That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, see,
Somebody wanted to say, it doesn't sound like metal.
No, you said metal bat because most
Oh,
bats are
whatever.
aluminum.
Okay, there are some metal ones. Thank you.
It's because aluminum's lightweight. Easy to swing.
You're a lightweight anyways.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
Bro, are they abusing a tree?
Okay.
All I kept hearing was, y'all ready to rotate in?
Yes, bro.
That's all I
That's all I
need.
heard.
It's not the talking.
I think it is the talking. I think we gotta identify which person on campus it is.
Bonus points if you identify the talking.
I like divers. Ew.
So not divers.
No,
Definitely not divers. Definitely not.
Did y'all even hear the actual sound?
Yeah,
No.
but I don't know
I
what it is.
barely heard it.
I have no clue what it is.
Sounds like a tennis ball. Yeah, it sounds like a tennis ball.
I'm gonna have to agree on the tennis ball.
Y'all are right. Whoop, whoop. I fear she might have seen the paper.
Oh no. I can't read that far. Like, actually, I can't.
And what's the glasses for?
Anyways, moving on.
Alright, next. Do it again.
Is that a printer? No.
And one more.
Is that a microwave in the cafeteria?
Once you know what it is, it's gonna sound like, oh, like I should have known. Like if y'all don't get it.
Bro, are we in McDonald's?
Oh, I wish I was at McDonald's right now.
Oh god.
That's valid.
And one more time.
Is that one of the keypads in the cafeteria?
Is that what it is?
Like to type your lunch number in?
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
I mean, you're on the right track with the key, but it's not. Well, it's not really like a key. It's like a.
I would say it's a key.
Yeah. Okay. It's when they use their badge to open the door.
Oh.
So like, yeah, a key.
Oh.
I don't use the badges that much. I kind of just knock until they let me in.
Oh.
Okay.
Right. Weirdo.
My bad, I don't go places in the middle of class.
I do.
Me too.
Anyways.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
Yeah, next. It's a drill in CTE.
Yeah.
They got that one real quick.
Yeah, that one was easy. Okay, last one.
Bro, are we in front of an air conditioner or something? I didn't know we still had AC in on this campus.
Okay.
Hey,
Bonus
not.
points if you can tell me where it is.
It's probably in building 5. They have the worst ventilation.
If you're. I don't even know what building.
I don't know what building it's in.
Is it in the library? No? Okay.
There's an RN library. 2 of them, actually.
It's honestly sounds like building 5, but I don't think it is.
It's CTE.
Oh.
Oh, that
I've
makes
never
sense.
been in there.
Yeah,
been in
I
there
hear it now.
once.
I hear it now.
I've never been in there.
Was it in the was it in the shop or was it in one of the classrooms?
Outside.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. No, that makes a lot of sense now.
And that concludes this episode of The Perch. Join us next week when we discuss the process of making the yearbook, taking photographs, and the behind the scenes of making memories.